Hello, my name is William Saganome. I am 36 years old. I study in technology in logistics process coordination. I file number is 3118534. My teacher's name is Juan Manuel Bustamante. Description of my family members. His name is Alison Saganome. She is 13 years old. She is Colombia. She lives in Bogota. Hobbies. She loves to eat ice cream. She likes traveling. She likes to roam. She enjoys video game activities. She studying at school. She makes breakfast. She does her homework. She takes the dogs for walk. Contains for eight verbs. She is tall. She is slim. She is young. She has long hair. She has brown edges. She has big eyelashes. She has the slits. She wears blue jeans. She wears a white jacket. She wears white socks. Thank you.